Oh, thank you. We're a little behind season, but that's okay.
Yeah. Weed. Yeah.
Go get the butterfly. Keep going. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Perfect.
If you've made it this far into the video, thank you. And I would love to hear your feedback about this new type of video format, which is a little bit more visual based with some text that talks about what I'm doing. But I really wanted to take a little bit of time to just show you what the field looks like right now. We've come off of 5 days of really heavy rain that's prevented us from really doing much outside after work. So a lot of the maintenance of the farm was done over the weekend. But what's really different this year for us versus last year is at this time last year, I actually had quite a bit of flowers. I was kind of running around harvesting as many stems as I could to sell at that local cooperative to florists. This year is so different. We are savoring every single day we have with E that is no evidence of disease, because I'm fully cognizant that that can change at basically the next scan. So we're waiting every 3 months for her next scan, and her next scan comes up sometime in early August. So from now until early August, I joke with friends and family that we can live in bliss, that things are going well right now. And what that looks like is obviously spending a lot of time together as a family, also spending time in this space. E really loves being outdoors, especially being over here. We really want to improve this space. So a lot of tasks that we've been focusing on are really from a family standpoint and improving our experience being at home. We are homebodies at the end of the day. We enjoy being at home on days off versus taking a vacation. So it's really about thinking about maximizing this place for the long term. So I put in some asparagus crowns. You guys saw that there were some blackberry bushes that were delivered to us accidentally instead of a stilby. Not complaining about that, but all of that is really to show you that we're planning on being here for, I joke, we're gonna die here, but plan on being here for at least a decade. Want some stuff to really perennialize for us to be able to reap the fruits of from a harvest perspective. Make sure that whatever we're putting in here from a flower perspective also makes my life easier in the future, so that I have as minimal labor as possible for planting. And it's really about maintenance and enjoying time together. So let me know what you think about this style of video in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.